What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, December 12th. It is Vlogmas day 12 and there are 13 days until Christmas. So for today's Vlogmas episode, I'm going to be doing an unboxing because I got my BoxyCharm box and I got the BoxyLuxe. I think that's what it's called. Dang. Hopefully you guys aren't moving around too much because I just wanted to sit on my bed. So you guys are propped up on a bunch of stuff. So the card is bigger than my face. Here's the box. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and see what we got. So the first thing that I see, it's in this little plastic bag and it says it's a girl's world. Ooh, the back of it looks like it's a styling tool. So I think the brand is PYT. Here's a little card that it was in, a little sleeve. And I think this is a mini flat iron, which it is. And it's in this really pretty like pale pink color. It just has like an on and off switch, so it doesn't have any like temperature settings, but that's cute. These are perfect for like getting like your baby hairs or your bangs or something like that. The next thing that I have looks like a mascara. So yep, it is the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula, and it's in like this gold tube. That's cute. So here is what the wand looks like. Just pretty regular, like nothing really fancy. It doesn't like flare out or anything. It is like a bristle wand, which is something that I prefer. So the next product that I have is this Spongele Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. I think I saw this, somebody did an unboxing for FabFitFun for the month of fall, for the fall season, and I think this was in there. And this is a multi-use, it's like a sponge that has body wash infused. Yeah, body wash and buffer. It's formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver to moisturize, soften, and cleanse. And you can get like more than one use out of this, obviously. So you just like wet it and what does it say? Place sponge under water. Squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. And I think Blossom Bliss is the scent. It smells really good. All right, the next thing that I have is an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And it's an anti-wrinkle cream. I don't know if you guys can read that. There's not a glare. So yeah, it is an anti-wrinkle cream, and I've never tried anything from this brand. So it says it is for fine lines and wrinkles, and it firms, smooths, and hydrates. So here is what the actual tub looks like. It's really pretty with this like chrome silver lid and the glass tub. I think it's nice. It looks like it's like a light blue color. So it is a white cream, and you do get a good amount. I'm curious to see how much this is because I think Elemis is more on the like luxury side of skincare. So the next thing that I got in my BoxyLuxe box is a makeup bag that says Glam AF. It's a nice like faux leather material, and it has a gold zipper. What is in here? Ooh, there's something in here. What is this? It's in bubble wrap, and it has a USB cord. What is this? The little card says Crimes of Beauty. Oh, it's one of those like chargers that you carry around in your purse. So you charge this and it comes, okay, so it has a wire so you can charge this, and then you plug your charger into this to charge your phone. That is so cool. Okay, so the next thing that I have is something from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. I cannot say that. I've tried to say that like 4 freaking times. Okay, so the next thing that I have is something from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous? I can't say that. So the next thing that I have is something from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous. So the next thing that I got is something from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Dusk. So here are the shades that come in the palette. I'm not too crazy about this like rectangular shape, but we have Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and then City Lights. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched them. I know it's probably super hard to see. This right here is City Lights, And then we have Havana Nights here in the middle, which is the blush. And then Tuscan Sunrise. And to be honest, they swatched really powdery and I can hardly see it on my skin, and I'm looking like right here, like get out, get out. Oh my god. We're gonna move on to the next product and we're gonna save that one for last. That's all I'm gonna say. So the next thing that I have is something from Tarte, and this is a Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. And what shade did I get? I got this shade Insta Famous. Here is the gloss using the flashlight from my phone so you can see it a little bit better. It's a really pretty rose color with a bunch of like pink and blue reflex in it. It's super, super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Here it is swatched on my hand. It's a little bit hard to tell because it is a sheer gloss, but there's a lot of glitter in there. It's super, super pretty. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this brush set from Luxe Brushes, and this says it is the complete face set. Okay, so the first brush that I pulled out of there is the Pro Precision Face Brush, and it looks like a really nice brush to contour your cheekbones with. It is a fluffy brush, but it's packed in there, so it looks like you can get like right into your cheekbones. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so the next brush is this round top blender, which is like a good all-purpose face brush. Again, it's super, super soft. The next brush that we have is the tapered highlighter brush. I believe I already have this one because I think in like the August BoxyCharm box, we got like a 3-piece face brush kit from Luxe, and I'm pretty sure this was one of the brushes that came in that set. But it is a really, really nice brush. I like using it for highlighting and also for my blush as well. This next brush is a flat definer brush. So this is a really good brush that you could use to apply concealer to clean up your brows or contour your nose, anything like that. It is a nice stiff brush, which is something that you need in a brush like this. If it's a detail brush, you want it to be stiff so that you can be precise with whatever you're doing. So the next brush we have is a tapered blending brush, and you can never have too many eyeshadow blending brushes. And again, it's really fluffy, really soft. The next one is, it says eye shading. And it's again like a fluffy brush, but it's a little bit more like compact and not rounded. So the next brush that we have is a spoolie, which is always good. I love these for my eyebrows because I like when they're on like an actual brush handle and they're not super, super small. I just feel like I have better control over it. So yeah, you can never have too many spoolies. Okay, so the last brush in this set isn't actually a brush. I don't know if I'm missing something. Oh, what? Oh my God. So at first I thought it was a broken, but you pop this up and it goes in here like this. And this, from what the box says, is a lip brush. So yeah, I actually don't have any like dedicated lip brushes, but I'm kind of excited to try it because I've seen people use lip brushes to like blend their lip liner into their lipstick, or obviously if you have like a lip palette and you're not using like a tube lipstick, this is what you would apply it with. Okay guys, and last but definitely not least, I got a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette in my freaking box. Like, get out. Get out, like you're joking. Okay, so here are the shades. I'm again using the flashlight from my phone just so you guys can get a better look at the shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these shades. Oh my God. Oh, stop. Which other one do I want to do? I think I'm gonna do this Cool Beans. And then let's do one more. Which other one should I do? I'll do Cranberry Splash. Oh my God, it feels so freaking good. So here's a couple of swatches from the palette. Don't mind the lip gloss that I swatched earlier. They're super, super pigmented, really creamy. I mean, those top two shades, I am super excited that we got this palette in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the card, this ginormous card, and I'm gonna tell you guys the prices. Okay, so for the Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set from Luxe, that retails at $65. The Tarte Glitter Lip Paint retails at $20. The Violet Voss Pro HG Palette retails at $45. The Spongelli Body Wash Infused Buffer retails for $20. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream retails at $89. The Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette retails for $26. The Grande Cosmetics, oh, that was the mascara, that retails for $25. The PYT Mini Hair Straightener retails for $75. $75? Okay. And then last but not least, the Crimes of Beauty Wristlet and Portable Charger retails for $22. I'm gonna go ahead and add that up and see what our grand total is. I added up everything that we got in this month's box, and that brings our total value to $387. Yeah, I am super pleased with everything that we got in this box. I'm excited. The value compared to the cost for the box, which, oh, by the way, so BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription box, but they have this new thing with the BoxyLuxe boxes where you can get them every quarter, every season, something like that, where it's an additional $28. So for this month's box, since I did get the BoxyLuxe, I did pay $49, but the value is $387, almost $400. So yeah, I am definitely excited to be testing out some of these products in future videos. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's Vlogmas episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, say hi. I would love to talk to you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.